How to see your Roblox password on your own phone. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my Roblox, but we cannot find our password here. So from that we have to go to another app that we have on our phone, and that is Gmail. So go ahead and go to your Gmail. So you will see that it's super easy. And from here you have to go to your profile from the right top corner, and then click on manage your Google account. So here you have to swipe a little bit and go to security. So from here you have to scroll down until you find at the bottom password manager. So click on this option. And now here you have to scroll down and find your Roblox app. So here I have it at the bottom. Now you have to use your fingerprint or your PIN. And if you want to see your password, you just have to click on this eye icon right here, and that's it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.